In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Klarna on eBay. Shopping online can feel a little overwhelming at times, especially when navigating payment options, but today, we're going to make it simple and straightforward. First, let's start by logging into your eBay account. Head over to www.ebay.com and sign in with your credentials. Make sure you're using a secure password to keep your account safe. Now that you're signed in, let's go to your payment settings. This is where you'll set up your preferred payment method. Click on your account name located in the top corner of the home page. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Account Settings from this list. Next, on the side menu that appears, you'll see an option for payments. Click on that and this will bring you to the payment settings page. Once you're on the payment settings page, you'll notice an option to add a payment method. This is where you get to choose how you'd like to make payments on eBay. You can enter a credit or debit card or link a Payoneer account depending on your preference. If you're opting for a card, click on Add Credit or Debit Card. You'll need to enter your card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address. Make sure all the details are correct before saving the changes. If you prefer to use Payoneer, select Add Payoneer Account. This choice will redirect you to Payoneer's secure login page. You'll need to log in using your Payoneer email and password. Don't worry about security, Payoneer handles this part. Once you authorize the connection between eBay and Payoneer, you'll be sent back to eBay's site. But wait, there's one more step in this process. Confirmation and verification are crucial to ensuring everything is correctly set up. eBay may temporarily place a small test charge or deposit on your card or bank account. Don't worry, this is only to confirm your details and will be refunded. For those using Payoneer, double check that your name and account information match your eBay profile to avoid complications down the line. And there you have it. Your payment method is now active on your eBay account. Whether it's for paying fees, making purchases, or managing payouts, eBay will use this method according to what you've set up. I hope you found this tutorial useful, and remember, setting up Klarna or any payment method adds a layer of convenience to your online shopping. So happy shopping, and enjoy your newfound flexibility with payments